Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna show you girls today something cool. It's a lip gloss set, a frozen one, and it contains 4 lip glosses and one beautiful container in the shape of a heart portraying Elsa and Anna. Let's see how they actually look like. This is the container, very nicely shaped. It's blue and it's pretty roomy, so you can fit all those beautiful lip glosses. Let's start with Olaf. It says that it's berry flavored lip gloss. It's purple. Second one is an Elsa lip gloss. It is an orange color and it's raspberry flavored. The third one has Anna on it. It's purple and it's a strawberry flavor. And the last one is blue. It has Christoph on and it says it's cotton candy flavor. That must taste very good. And now let's put them in the container, see if they fit. Yes, perfectly. There you go. They all fit. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.